Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Erica and this is Erica's Home Refresh. Here you'll get tons of motivation for cleaning, home projects, and everything in between that makes your life at home cozy and manageable. Today's video is a little different. I'm excited to share with you 5 tips for keeping a clean home with toddlers. These ideas have been especially helpful in our home because my husband and I both work full-time and share the responsibility of taking care of our girls. Our schedules allow for one of us to be home 98% of the time. My first tip is to have a daily routine. That might sound cliche, but it really is important to maintain a clean house. The bulk of our routine, as I'm sure you can relate to, is after the girls go to bed at night. Even if our normal routine is thrown off for some reason, we always clean the kitchen at night. We also try to have one other time during the day for tidying, such as nap time. 20 minutes of prep can prevent chaos in the morning. We make sure to run the dishwasher so that we have clean dishes in the morning. If possible, running it right after dinner so that you can unload the dishwasher at night gives you an even better head start to your day in the morning. I try to wipe off the counter often throughout the day, but this is definitely the last thing I do in the kitchen each night. When the counters stay clean throughout the day, it seems like they're less likely to attract clutter.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Our girls know to take their shoes and coats off as soon as they come in the house, but each night I make sure they are all neatly put away after they've dried from the outside elements. I also make sure that all the paper products are refilled: toilet paper, paper towels, and wipes. My second tip is to make sure everything has a place in your home. It makes it so much easier to put things away quickly when you know where everything goes. This helps to make sure that you're always minutes away from everything being put away. When possible, I try to underfill the closets and drawers of our home. This leaves space to add new things when you bring them into your home and gives you a little wiggle room when things inevitably get moved around. Also, when going from room to room, try to have a one-touch rule. If you see something that needs to go to the next room, carry it straight back to its home. Make sure to sort mail immediately or as soon as possible. So many things that are sent can be thrown straight into the trash. We have this little paper filer for pieces that need to be dealt with later. Nothing fancy, don't let this be too big, and don't let it get too full. Regularly decluttering and having a one-in, one-out rule with purchases will help keep your cabinets tidy. Having a home for everything makes it so that you're minutes away from everything being put away. Stick around to the end of this video where you'll see how nice it is to come downstairs in the morning to a cozy, tidy common area. My third tip is to be disciplined with laundry. I know this is easier said than done, but it can become so overwhelming if you don't stay on top of it. In our home, we only use one hamper for 4 people. Think about it. If I had 4 hampers and waited for them all to fill up before doing laundry, I would have 10 loads that would take me all day to complete. Also, all of the laundry is already in one place when I start a load. Omitting hampers from the girls' rooms also creates more free space. If the girls are sleeping when I fold laundry and can't put it away immediately, I place it outside of their room so I can take it in first thing in the morning. My fourth tip is to develop a toy plan. We have a play area and toy storage on all 3 floors of our house. Again, we make sure everything has a place so we can quickly and easily put the toys away at any time, especially before bed. If you don't have much toy storage space and toys are driving you crazy, you could consider a toy rotation, basically putting some of your toys away in a more permanent storage space and switching them with the toys that are used daily. This can be done seasonally or more or less. We like to do this with our holiday-specific books. If you're getting value or entertainment from this video today, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn the notification bell to all so that you never miss a weekly video. You saw in the closet that we keep our messy paints and glues out of the reach of the girls, and to build on that, we make sure that there are rules about where certain toys are used. For instance, they know that Play-Doh is only to be used on their little table and crayons can be used on a table, not on furniture or floor. My fifth tip is to consider minimal decor. This is a personal preference, but I feel that this keeps our house really peaceful and comfortable and keeps the stress level down, especially on tabletops and countertops. I also have some miscellaneous tips for you. Having cleaning products that you like to use, like something with a nice scent, makes cleaning more fun. Also, having cleaning products where they need to be most often, like under multiple sinks in the house, will make it easier to fit in a quick scrub here and there. Lastly, I like to set a timer to see how quickly I can complete a task. This helps when asking for help from kids as well because it makes cleaning and tidying like a game. With toddlers, I tend to clean as needed without a strict schedule. Everything tends to fall into place when you stick with it, so make sure to give yourself grace. Things will not be 100% perfect all of the time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found those tips to be helpful. Please leave some of your favorite tips in the comments below. I hope you have a great week and I'll see you next week. Bye.